And on a final word, I have to tell you, bakit si Rowena Guanzon nga dilawan man na? Dilawan man na! Kaning tao direyo, sige, sabok-sabok na ako. Kaya dilawan man ka nga nung gadul-dul man kang Bibisara karon. Ayaw na yun si Bibisara, ayaw na lang nagisgutan kay karon ang kinahanlan mo, daog yun si Sara for president! Kung dilaw ka, kung pulaw ka, kung pink ka, kung blue ka, kung sa... Wala na minimo kaakig. Wala kami kaakig sa inyo. Upod na lang kita diritanan kay Sara para sa aton pungsod. Kaya kung hindi si Sara Duterte ang magpresidente, walang mananagot. Kaya si Rowena Guanzon magsasara Duterte. Kasi Sara Duterte lang ang presidente na kung siya ang manalo, may mananagot. Ilang taon ako sa politika. Sa tiyan pa lang na nanay ko, 67 years old na ako ngayon. Politiko na ako. Board member man nanay ko, 33 years. Wala pa ako nakita ng gobyerno na ganito. Puro ka magnanakaw. Mga kawatan. Ang kailangan ng Pilipinas, reforma. Zero corruption. Zero tolerance. That is why, this early, I already commit my support to you, Vice President Sara Duterte. Whether I run for senator or not, I am going to campaign, as I am campaigning now, for Sara Duterte, who will be the next President of the Philippines. O sa mga Bisaya, mga Ilonggo, mga Waray, sa Visayas, kabalo na makamutanan, nga ang Negros Occidental, wala yun aga Marcos ever since because gi-bankrupt niya na niya during martial law. My family, he confiscated our electric plant. All families were confiscated. Ang sugar, monopolize ang sugar trading. So we had to stop planting. Our people starved because we had to stop planting. Why will we plant if we're going to lose money? Now Marcos Bongbong is doing it again. He is smuggling sugar. That's why our sugar prices from Negros Occidental are down. Down by more than 600 pesos per kilo bag. You know what that means? That means hundreds, thousands of workers will be out of jobs in the next 2 years if this continues. Smuggling of sugar, smuggling of fuel. Smuggling of fuel is now going on in our borders. Marcos wants us to feel that he is the one solving our problems, when in fact, it is Marcos who created all these problems. Ang gutom, ang unemployment, high inflation, trade deficit, budget deficit, kaya pangawat na sa tanang buhaya ang atong deficit. That's why, my friends, I am putting my faith on Sara Duterte for president. Because I see only that Sara Duterte, even with her quiet, calm demeanor, has the strength of character and the integrity to be our leader and run our country from the bottom up. Wala na tayong mamanahin kay Marcos. Puro utang, puro pangawat. We need a leader that will rise from these ashes and lead us back into a bright day. My friends, it is my honor to be in Davao City again, to be with the family of Rodrigo Duterte, and to wish him a happy birthday despite his circumstances, and to show my support for Vice President Sara Duterte for 2028